Some of us grew up trying to take up less space, trying not to sound too foreign, trying not to bring the weird lunch,
trying not to mispronounce our names the way attendants did. But the older we get, the more we realize those were never things to hide.
Today's event is to celebrate Asian and Pacific Islander cultures, identity, stories. Today's event really is about storytelling.
My performance is called Depka, and it is a Levantine dance where you are united with people and you stomp your feet.
My performance is Cat's Eye, and the reason why we chose Cat's Eye is because we wanted to show how K-pop influences the American artists, and I feel like K-pop represents it the best because it's global right now.
Celebrating Asian American and Pacific Islanders Heritage Month at PCTI has brought many students together through culture, creativity, and community. This assembly showcased a variety of performances, presentations, and highlighted the traditions, stories, and experiences of Asian American and Pacific Islander communities.
Today, my group and I danced Tinikling, which is a traditional Filipino folk dance with bamboo sticks, and I also participated in the fashion show.
For today's performance, we did a lot of preparations. We practiced almost every day after school, from during school and even to after school, all the way till nighttime, with barely any rest, but it was all worth it.
My song, Suddenly I See by KT Tunsil, it's just a song about female empowerment. It was written for the movie The Devil Wears Prada back in 2006. KT Tunsil, she's a Chinese woman who, when she was writing this song, she was really trying to envision how women see themselves and how they can support other women. She said she saw this random photo of Patti Smith at some random party, and that gave her the inspiration to write this amazing song. And I think it really speaks volumes on how women see each other and how we communicate and agree with each other.
Students proudly shared their heritage through music, dance, and storytelling, creating an atmosphere of learning, appreciation, and respect. This celebration provided an opportunity for students to recognize the diverse backgrounds that makes PCTI stronger and more connected.
Diversity is important in schools because it teaches us to appreciate one another for who we are. And it helps us develop empathy and kindness towards one another and willing to accept differences.
Diversity is important in schools because everybody is very different. And it's important to be able to acknowledge those differences and also appreciate them and not shun them or think of them as weird.
Diversity in school is important to me because you get to learn about different people, where they're from, and it really opens your eyes to how many different people we have.
By embracing different cultures, students demonstrated the importance of representation, inclusivity, and unity. This assembly served as a reminder that diversity is one of PCTI's greatest strengths, and that every culture has its own story worth sharing.